Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute and simple floral French tip nail design, so let's begin. As you can see, I started off with a base coat and now I'm applying the pink base color. And next is the French tip part of the design, which as you can see I'm doing by outlining the white part of my natural nail with the white nail polish brush. Next up, I'm taking black and I'm going to paint a very thin, squiggly kind of line down my ring fingernail. As you can probably tell, I did the same thing for my middle fingernail, but I added one more shorter line, and now I'm painting a few black leaves on each line. And now for the final part of the design, I'm taking the same detail brush and I'm just adding a few white flowers. And now I'm sealing it all in with the top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.